Well, we've had a nice, cool day. We can call it cool, can't we, after the summer we had?
Yeah, especially this morning. Yeah. Anytime we're hitting 100 degrees every day and it's only in the 80s, that's cool. We begin with a look at the radar. We'll back it up here to mid-morning. Look at that. Little cluster of storms coming into the hill country, but completely dissipating as it made it down into the Austin area. There's one more look at it right there. Doesn't really have anything to do with the storm that moved through over the last 4 or 5 days and brought us the rain. In fact, that storm is now located on the East Coast, and it has really turned nasty out there. Wind damage in several states. Washington, D.C. was under a tornado warning for a while today. Back here at home, this little disturbance that moved through is gone now, and we're going to be quiet for the next week or so in terms of rainfall. We're partly cloudy out there. It's still very pleasant, 86 degrees right now. Our evening planning forecast, partly cloudy and 80 at 8 p.m. and then mostly clear down to 72 already at 10 o'clock tonight. It'll be nice. Hill country temperatures, upper 70s and low 80s, 82 in Llano and down in Fredericksburg right now in the metro area, 84 in Dripping Springs, Wimberley at 85, 83 degrees up in Round Rock and Pflugerville, and off to the east, you folks in the low to mid 80s, Elgin coming in at 82. In the city, it's 86, and we're partly cloudy. Out at the airport, it is 83 under a partly cloudy sky. Our winds behind the front that's moved in, north-northeasterly at 5 in town, 12 miles per hour at ABIA, and sunset tonight is exactly 7:30. Well, the pollen count, a little worse even today. Those mold always go higher after rain, and today they're up at nearly 7,000. Ragweed, 100 grains per cubic meter of air, and fall elm at 39 is low. Around Texas, everyone enjoying the benefits of the front. I say everyone. Front hadn't quite made it to Corpus yet. It's a little warm and muggy down there at 92, 93 in Laredo, but 70s and 80s up here in North Texas behind the front. And the water vapor imagery shows you that disturbance real nicely as it came down today right on through the Austin area. A little cold front coming with it. That's headed down toward the coast right now, already having moved through all of our area. And behind the front, a northerly wind, northeasterly wind will blow tonight, but by tomorrow it'll begin to turn east, and then quickly to the southeast, then a south wind will blow on Thursday, and that begins a little warming trend that takes us back up to 90 degrees, back up to normal by the time the weekend rolls around, which, by the way, is the beginning of autumn. Saturday, in fact. Tonight, overnight lows, but it's going to be nice when you wake up in the morning. 50s, low 60s in other locations. 50s mainly in the rural spots and in the suburbs. Then tomorrow afternoon, it could be just about as warm as today. Generally mid-80s, some places mid to upper 80s, but we should stay just below that average of 90. In Austin overnight, downtown, we could go as low as 60 degrees. Northeasterly winds about 5 to 10, and our skies should be clear overnight, and then clear and sunny tomorrow, and a high of 86. Northeast winds to start the day. They shift around to a southeasterly direction during the afternoon. And that means another nice morning Thursday morning, but a little warmer Thursday afternoon. Probably back to 90 or so by Friday. Autumn gets here on Saturday, and the first day of autumn a little on the hot side, a high of about 90 degrees. Weak front maybe comes in Saturday evening. It's questionable whether it'll have much noticeable impact on our weather, so we'll keep the temperatures pretty consistent there into early next week.
All right, Jim, thank you. Time